I thought it might be helpful to show you a little bit about how I've structured my own portfolio website built on WordPress. This is the home page. There is a slider on top which features a few images, many of which have links to more information about that particular production. These three circle icons lead to pages. Remember that pages have a somewhat different structure than posts, and these rarely change. That's just a guide, of course. You can go in and change the content of a page anytime you wish, but they're intended to be more fixed. Below that, the site shows posts in reverse chronological order. Those are added automatically. So let's make a new post with the recent production of She Kills Monsters Virtual Realms. Notice that right now, Dead Man's Cell Phone is the most recently added production. Whatever I name the post will be used to create the name of the file for this particular page. So I use the production name and add only the most critical show information for my own website. Primarily, I want to add an image gallery. I've already prepared a collection of screen captures I want to include. For the moment, I'm going to skip the poster image for the production. While my images are uploading, I'm going to work on the categories for this page to keep my site organized. Because this was a video, I've got a few new categories to add, some under involvement and some under productions on this site. This is how I've structured my site. You'll need to create your own categories. Notice that you can create parent categories as well, creating a hierarchy. I'm introducing this to you in an effort to inspire you to really think about how you want to present yourself. For now, it's fine if you decide to keep it simple. All of this can be added later. My website is run on a server which is hosted by a large company for which I pay an annual fee. WordPress is available as free software which can be installed on servers outside of WordPress.com, which is part of why it's so popular. This method also allows you more control to install more widgets, offers a wider array of themes, and lets you tweak the settings a little more in general. For the theme I'm using, the featured image is also what's used as a thumbnail for the post. For now, I'm going to add the poster image as that featured image. Giving your images alt text information makes the site more accessible friendly for people with disabilities, or if people have their browser set to not download images automatically in case they want to save on bandwidth. It's a good idea to add alt text to all of your images. Unfortunately, I haven't found a way to do that in bulk, but it's pretty fast and easy to do. Here I'm copying and pasting the description of She Kills Monsters screen capture to each image's alt text field. I'm happy with this, so I'm going to publish the post right away, and so we can keep going. Now when I return to the home page, I can see that the most recent production, She Kills Monsters, is at the top of the feed. Notice that it uses the page title prominently and the rest of the text is written on the page. But this theme makes use of excerpts. Though not all themes do, an excerpt is a short description which allows me to specify how the page presents itself in search results. Although I just created this post today, I want to date the post when the production actually occurred. The easiest way to do it through the dashboard is via Quick Edit, though WordPress.com does it slightly differently. It won't look much different when displayed, but this will help show the productions in order if I wind up adding any I've missed chronologically. Updating is similar to saving, and I recommend you do it after every change you make that you want to keep. Adding a video that you've already uploaded to YouTube is pretty easy. Let's add a video block. Choose Insert from URL. The easiest way is to choose Share, then copy the link YouTube provides. Great, but I want to put the video above my gallery, which is an easy adjustment. Something I don't love with WordPress is how it displays PDFs. By default, it shows it as a generic graphic, so let me show you how I work with PDFs. I'm going to go to the media library and upload both the PDF I want to use, a review of the production, and an image of that review, which I'm going to use as kind of a thumbnail. I want to grab the URL for this file, which I can get from looking at the PDF from the library. The easiest way for me to align the review is by creating a table. I'll put the playwright and production info to one side and the thumbnail of the review in the other. By selecting the image and adding a link, I can paste the URL for the PDF right on the thumbnail. Now I'm going to delete the block of the original text of the team. I can see that the excerpt shows when I hover over the image link. And when I click on the thumbnail image, the PDF opens in a new window. Because WordPress is so smart, this production post is automatically added to the appropriate menus, and it shows in site search results without any additional programming or work on my part.